Hey, this is Delar here, and this is my Conic Sections project. I made this image of a snowman shooting a basketball. In this assignment, we had to use Desmos to create a picture using mathematical equations. We had to include circles, parabolas, ellipses, and hyperbolas in our drawings. So this right here is going to be my circle. I wrote down the standard equation of a circle right here, and then use the slider to adjust the circle to its current position. I got this equation as a result. So this is telling us that we move 5 units to the left and 3.6 units down, and this 3.1 squared right here tells us how big the circle is going to be, since that's going to be our radius. As you can see, there are no restrictions on this equation. So next, this is the hyperbola that I used to make the mountain. On this one, I had to restrict the domain to y is greater than or equal to 2, but is less than or equal to 17 to prevent this from happening. Okay, let me undo that. And on this equation, these show the movement across the axis for this hyperbola. Okay, so next we have the parabola, which is the net right here. This equation tells us that we need to move 13 points to the right and 4 units up. So 13 and 4, and this is going to be our vertex, which is going to be the lowest point on the curve. And just like the last one, I had to restrict the range to stop the parabola from going all the way up to the infinity. And finally, we have the ellipse right here, which I used to make the basketball rim. And once again, for this one, there is no domain or range restriction here, so I just used the slider to adjust the width and the height for the ellipse. And for the intersection points, we have a line intersecting with the conic at this point right here, which is negative 7.298 and 2, and conic intersecting with the conic is approximately at this point, which is negative 5 and negative 0.4. And thank you for watching, and till next time.